Hi, I'm Jack Henderson. Today we're going to talk about the maintenance of the linear compressors and the rotary compressors. They generally maintenance free, but one thing that you need to make sure that you do regular is check the filters on both these units. The manufacturer suggests you clean it on the linear every 6 months and change it every year. Depending on the area it's being used in, probably change it twice a year, depending on how dirty it gets or how bad the situation is. Very simple to do. Remove the screw, exposes the filter, place the filter, replace the screw. Very simple. And it will prolong the life of your unit. Rotary, same thing. It's got a little bit better quality element in it. That probably don't take that could take a little bit more abuse. But if it's in a sandy or real dusty area, suggest change it clean it every 6 months. Change it anytime it's looking worn or full when you can't empty it. When you can't blow it clean or clean it with air or beat it clean, suggest it. Very simple. And it will prolong the life of your unit. This is the life of your unit. Very simple, 5 minutes will save your unit. Suggest this on all the rotaries and all the HP linear units.